Hello and welcome to today's video on how to make a delicious and nutritious crushed wheat porridge. If you're looking for a healthy and filling breakfast option that will keep you energized throughout the day, then look no further. Crushed wheat, also known as cracked wheat, is a whole grain that is packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. This porridge is a popular breakfast dish in many cultures around the world, and today, we'll be showing you how to make it in just a few simple steps. So, grab your apron and let's get started. Did you know that you can scale the recipes on our website to the number of servings you like? On our website, you can also view this video as well as print out the scaled recipe. This unique feature will help you scale the recipe to your desired servings or hotness. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you have scaled the recipe, then please follow those quantities. Let's move on to the actual recipe now.
Heat a 1/4 cup of oil or butter oil in a pan on medium heat. Add about an inch of cinnamon stick and 2 cloves. Fry for a minute or so. Add 3/4 cups of crushed wheat. Stir and fry till golden brown. Add 3 cups of water. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Stir to mix well. Bring to a boil and cover. Let simmer for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, check that it is soft to eat. If not, cover and cook some more. Add half a cup of sugar and mix well. Add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Stir and let simmer till it is at the desired thickness. Once the desired thickness is achieved, add the blanched almonds and the crushed cashew nuts. Mix well.
You may find that after refrigeration it is a lot thicker. If you find that it is too thick, you can add some hot water and cook it a little to thicken it. Enjoy it as breakfast or as a sweet dish.